Hello, good morning. My name is Marvelous Macaulay, and I'm applying for the Avalanche Community Ambassador Program. What excites me about Avalanche is this. Um, Avalanche is basically very, very exciting, but there are three things that actually got me pumped when I was going through the white paper. And the first one is the interoperability and the flexibility. It's really, really exciting to see that you could actually build a blockchain on another. It's it's really exciting. Over the years, we've seen um, projects, tokens, cryptocurrencies being built on blockchains. But now with Avalanche, we can actually see um, blockchains being built on another blockchain. It's really exciting. It's terrific. Wow! It's when I saw it, I was like, wow, this is massive. This is something I have to be on. I have to be part of this. I can't let this go. I have to be part of this. This is really exciting. I'm pumped about it. The fact that you can actually port blockchains onto Avalanche. You can move existing blockchains from where they are and like put them onto Avalanche. It's wow. It's really it's something to look forward to. Um, Secondly, what actually gets me or got me excited about Avalanche is the security. The fact that Avalanche is not prone to the 51% attack is terrific. Wow, it's really exciting to know because we've seen so many blockchains come and some left, and most of all of them were all prone to the 51% attack. And to see one blockchain that's not actually prone to the 51% attack, it's something really, it's terrific. It's really exciting. It's something I look forward to. Lastly, for me, like I said, there are 3 points that actually got me excited about Avalanche. The last thing is the scalability. The fact that Avalanche has low latency and can actually perform high transaction um, rates fast too. It's something that I really look forward to. It's exciting. I look forward to it. I look forward to being part of the team. Community strategies to help grow Avalanche. I think for now we all know we are in the lockdown, so I'll be using mostly online platforms to do webinars, host classes, host webinars, and teach about Avalanche, create awareness about Avalanche, um, tell people in my community what the future holds about Avalanche. And probably after when this whole lockdown is done, I'll be holding live seminars where I'll be teaching about Avalanche and creating awareness about it, telling people about what it is and what the future holds for Avalanche, what Avalanche stands for, and what it's here for. Um, like I said, my name is Marvelous Macaulay, and I'm a graduate of marketing from the prestigious University of Port Harcourt. And I'm affiliated to so many communities, so many blockchain and cryptocurrency communities. And I've been in the crypto space for over a year now. And I think, yes, I am actually qualified to be, um, I believe I'm actually qualified to be an ambassador, a community ambassador for Avalanche. And I actually hope that I believe I'll get the job. Yeah, thank you very much. And I'm actually pumped about it. I'm really excited about it. It's something that I actually look forward to. And I believe, like we all know, every company needs people who are excited about their projects. Every company needs people who can actually preach their gospel, boldly, like I am about Avalanche. Thank you very much. My name is Marvelous.